Hey y'all, so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of Olaplex's treatments that you can do at home with the exception of one. But before I do get into it, this is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do natural hair, skincare, and lifestyle videos. So if that is the type of content that you love, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else. And as this progresses, if you enjoy the content, do me a favor, like, comment, and share it with someone else that you think might enjoy it. Now that all the housekeeping rules are out of the way, let's go ahead and head into the bathroom and get this wash day started. So to kick things off, we are starting with the number 0. I do already have a video dedicated to number 0 and number 3. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check that out. But I have kind of updated my process. Now I shampoo my hair before going in with the number 0 just because I'm natural and I tend to put a lot of products on my hair and do wash and goes. I feel like it's a good idea to at least cleanse some of that away so the number 0 can actually penetrate my strands. And so I like to go in and detangle and use this as the pre-poo. And of course, I let it sit for the recommended 10 minutes before I follow up with number 3. Go. Next up, we have the good old number 3, which these products, all of the products in this line are so heavily concentrated that amount is a gracious plenty to do my entire head. When I first started using Olaplex, I was like, ain't no way this little bottle is gonna last me a long time, but it actually does. And I feel like using this in addition to the number 0 really helps the number 3 go even longer because I don't feel like I need as much. Like I can just easily apply it to my hair. It's very quick. I think the whole process of the number 0 and number 3 adds maybe 30 to 45 minutes to my wash day, but honestly the results that I've seen from using this so far, I don't mind doing this once a month. I highly recommend treating your hair with number 0 and number 3, especially if you have extreme damage. Now we are in the shower and officially getting this wash day started with number 4. This has a citrus-like flower scent to it. It just has a really clean scent. I like it. It's not overpowering in my opinion, but it does have a scent. As you can see, a little goes a long way. The running theme of this video, it lathers immediately. It doesn't give your hair a lot of moisture. It's not very strengthening. In my opinion, my hair just feels balanced. Like I wouldn't look for this shampoo to really like use it to detangle or give you tons of slip or make my hair feel squeaky clean. Your hair is gonna feel clean without being stripped. So I like it. I would recommend it. If you're using the rest of the products, you might as well go ahead and get the shampoo. I'm not saying run out and buy it immediately, but if you ever get a chance to try it, I don't think it will disappoint. And on rinse out, look at the elasticity and curl poppage. So here we are moving on to the number 8 intensive hair moisture mask. I didn't pick up 5 because as a natural, when would I pick up a regular conditioner when I can get a deep one? So I do have a video fully dedicated to this mask, so go ahead and check that out if you haven't already. But today I used a bit more than I did before just because I felt like I needed it. It says to use sparingly and only use like 1 to 2 pumps per section, and I use like 3 or 4 just because I felt like my hair needed it. I won't say that it gives my hair intense moisture, and what I like about this mask is I feel like I can finger detangle, and on rinse out my hair does really have a shine to it, and I like using it following the 0 and 3. Is it a holy grail product for me? No, but I would recommend it. coils. I just love my hair on rinse out. So the main reason I decided to use the treatment today was because I'm blowing my hair out because I'm going into a protective style. Now the number 6 is like a leave-in bond smoothing treatment, and y'all, this stuff really did smooth my hair out, but I'm getting ahead of myself. I used the number 6 along with a few drops of the number 7 bonding oil to blow dry my hair, and this was honestly the best blowout that I have done thus far at home. So not only did it smooth my hair and make my blowout just look better, especially because using this Dyson blow dryer, it dries my hair out, I feel. Didn't have that problem with this. It literally took no time to blow dry my hair because I usually use a blow dry spray to speed the process up. Didn't need it with this number 6. I am a fan. This will forever be my blow dry cream whenever I do blow my hair out, which isn't that often. But yeah, I will get plenty of uses out of this bottle and the bonding oil because you only need a few drops. The bonding oil comes out so slow that you aren't going to want to wait for a lot of it. Little goes a long way. And y'all, I'm thoroughly impressed, but I think if I had to pick a favorite, 6 just really takes the cake, y'all. Okay, so just to wrap this video up, how do I feel about the Olaplex system as a whole? And honestly, I am a fan of it. I have seen a difference in my hair since I started using it since February, and it's May now. And my personal opinion is, yes, they are pricey, but so is going to the salon. I feel like stylist prices are expensive. So if you can somehow manage to do this system at home even once a month to treat your hair, especially if you feel like it's damaged or if it's plateaued or it's just missing something, honestly, I would highly recommend trying the system. That is just my personal opinion. I'm not a licensed professional. I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm just telling you how I feel like it has worked for me and my hair, okay? But yes, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. I swear I do. And I will see you in the next one.